Hey
Mhm.
Vastav, thank you so much for taking out the time for this review. Firstly, congrats on your
Yeah,
admits into it.
thank
And
you.
I'm looking forward to know about your story. Could you tell me, let's start off with a short introduction about yourself.
So, as you know, my name is Vastav, and I've done my masters in Netherlands already before. So this will actually be my second masters, and I've contacted MIM as a quite a long time ago. I think in 2019 December. I've had a plan of applying for 2020, but due to the current situation, I thought of applying for 2021. And my consultant Rohit was there for me all the way through. He understood why I wanted to apply for 2021's batch and all. So yeah, that
Okay.
then I started applying for the colleges. ESSEC was my first college and also my dream college. So we had a plan. My consultant Rohit and I had a plan of applying for my dream college first, because if I get into that, I can just stop applying for the other colleges and I can save some money for the application fees and all. So
Okay,
yeah,
all right.
yeah,
Sounds good. Sounds good. How was your journey with the MyMSA altogether?
it was amazing. As I told you before, I've had some weird, strange story. I contacted MIMSA in 2019, so it's been 1.5 year now, almost. Yeah. So when I had the call with Abhyank, my free consulting call for 20 minutes, he told me that I can apply for MIM for 2020, but since
Okay.
I had to delay one more year because of the current circumstances,
Right.
we adjusted my profile according to the specialized masters programs, which is what I applied to for ESSEC. And yeah, my experience was amazing, and I've also left a great review on Google because of that. So
Oh,
yeah,
okay, that's great. So, how did you think we added value to your application?
yeah, there are two parts to that particular question. I would say, for me, the resources that MIMSA provided on the CRM is amazing.
Oh,
The samples which you get to look at, and for example, I had an interview for a deck,
okay.
and I get to know all the questions beforehand. What kind of questions I can expect from the admissions committee and all, which helped me
Right.
really to tune accordingly. And also,
Right.
while writing essays, they get to know you personally, and they'll highlight the points which were actually looked for by admissions committee. So in that particular way, MMSA is really helpful.
All right, that's great. So, out of all our services, all of the parts of our services, what is it that you like the most? Which part of our service?
I like the resources part, the CRM, where you just have to upload your essay and you'll get the team will get back to you within one day. That's really amazing, and you'll get some 10 edits for each document. Yeah, that is really amazing.
All right, that's great. That's great. Lastly, coming on to the next last question,
Mhm.
what's your suggestion to those who are skeptical of taking up our services, or what would you say about our services to those who are thinking of taking our services?
I'm one of those who was skeptical before talking to Abhyank. I've Because I've done my masters before and I've done it all on my own. So I don't know why such kind of service would add how this kind of service would add value to my application. But I've done
Right.
a technical masters. I've not done management masters before. When I started researching about management masters, I was totally baffled. I don't know what kind of courses I should apply to, and what kind of courses will be suitable for my profile. So when I talked to Abhyank, I was really hopeful, and I got to know within those 20 minutes I got to know a great deal of management masters and all. So for those who were skeptical, I would uh, I would just ask them to take free consultation call, and I'm sure they will be impressed with Abhyank's take on their profile and all, and they'll move forward with MMSA.
Okay, all right, great. Thank you so much for your inputs, and
Yeah,
good luck for your future ahead. Okay, thank you again for taking
thank
out
you.
the time. All
Yeah,
right.
thank you.